Now this experiment is measurements of surface roughness using mechanical comparator. Okay. This is the specimen. In this specimen, now see this specimen. If you see this specimen, it's look like a perfect straight line, no? But if you magnify this surface, it's not exactly straight line. It have some ups and downs this way. Okay. So this is called it as roughness. See, ups and downs. So the top portion is normally we call it as, just you assume, okay. Now you assume this is on mountain. Okay, ups and down is there, no? Normally we call it as the top of the mountain. We call it as valley, peak. Okay. The bottom of the mountain normally we call it as valley. Okay. We have different peaks and valleys. That is roughness. Okay. Sometimes it's look like this way. This is roughness. This is called it as waviness. Wave, this way. Some radius is there, no? This type of the shape is called it as waviness. This type is roughness. Clear? Now, how to measure that roughness? Bring that surface. See, in that surface, there are 4 surfaces are there. This is casted surface. Okay. Casting work is there. Unmachined surface. This is casted surface. Next, shaped surface. Shaping work is done in the surface. The single point tool is there, no? It's reciprocated forward and backward in this way. Remove the materials. This is second. Next one is milled surface. That milling cutter have multi-point cutters. It's rotate in this way. Remove all the materials. Okay. This is more accurate than the shaped surface. So this surface got little more light variations. Finally, this is grounded surface. The surface grinding work done in this surface. The grinding will have more number of abrasive materials. It rotates in this way. All the materials are removed. So this surface have perfect straight. There is no any ups and downs. So in engineering drawing, they will indicate some symbols. These symbols indicates casted surface. 2 triangle indicates machined surface. 3 triangles indicates finished surface. 4 triangle indicates super finish surface. This way, in the drawing they were mentioned which surface we want more accurate, more finished, or rough surface is enough means they will indicate one triangle. We want some finish means 2 triangles, machined surface. Finishing surface, if you want finishing surface means 3 triangles. Okay, so first one is casted surface, single triangle. Second one is shaped surface, shaping work done. Third surface, milled surface, multi-point cutters. milled surface M. Fourth one is grounded surface. Surface grinding work done in this surface, fourth one. Okay. Now how to measure the surfaces using mechanical comparator. Take the V block here, keep the surface specimen. Now mark one straight line here. Now you mark equal distance. Okay, this way you have to mark it. Now apply little amount of pressure before reset to 0 here. Bring it down. Apply 50 divisions, 0.5 pressure. Okay, now you lock it. Now reset to 0. This way. Now the first division shows 0. Okay. Now slightly move to H2. Note down the value. H3, H4, H means height, height 5, height 6, height 7. The difference value you got, no? That value you have to note it. Note down. H9, H10. Okay. All the heights, all the heights, H1, H2, H3, H4, in this way up to H10. Add all the values, height values, divided by 10. You got center line average, CLA. Okay. H1, H2, H3, H4, H4. Divided by 10, you got CLA value, center line average. Okay. That same value, you use RMS formula, root mean square formula, you got RMS value. Okay. This way, you have to measure all the sides, milled surface, shaped surface, grounded surface. Okay. That casted surface got you more roughness. Next, shaped surface you got better surface. Milled surface you got more accurate than the shaped surface. Finally, grounded surface you got perfect straight line. This way you have to conduct the experiment to show the readings, all those things. That's all.